All right, 5:15, time for a closer look at this forecast. And the fog is weird out there. Some of the usual places that I encounter it on the way in to work didn't have any. But in town, Portland, holy cow.
It's pretty, I mean, we'll show you this right there. That's, I believe that's Congress Square. I honestly don't know. I'm pretty sure that is. Yeah. But, you know, places that are around the ocean, around the water, have some dense fog because the water's colder than the milder air flowing over it. Also, a lot of spots like that have some ice on some ponds still, or some snow cover out there. So we still have all that too. I mean, there aren't many ponds and lakes that are iced out yet, although some are starting. Pretty interesting. So here's another view looking out over Casco Bay. You clearly can't see much at all. Dense fog advisories until 10 o'clock this morning. Notice nothing up in the mountains or far north. Visibility is a little better up there, but for many of us, it's down, like to a quarter mile or less. That's the case at BIA right now. Drive safely this morning. There are your current temperatures. Not exactly warm yet, but for mid-March to be above freezing in almost all locations is saying something. And we're continuing to see the melt go on out there. We're losing snow pretty quickly. Low pressure shifting away. We get warm sectored this afternoon, highs in the 60-degree range. And then this cold front slips through this evening. It's cooler for your Saturday. It's wet for your Saturday, almost from start to finish. I'm not liking the start of the weekend. I will say the second half of the weekend is looking better to me this morning. So we'll salvage this weekend. We will on Sunday. Thick fog for a few hours. It's damp. It's chilly out. Midday, we burn the fog off and we see some hazy sunshine. And with that sun comes warm spring-like temperatures. And it may end up being the warmest of the year. Our highest temperatures so far that we've experienced this early in the year was back in February, and it was about 65 for both Portland and for Bangor. We'll see a few clouds this evening, but in general looks great and balmy. And a lot of us will get to see that full warm moon rise at 7:23. And it should be beautiful. Really good stuff. There are your highs today, 62 in Bangor and Portland. Lewiston gets to 65. Mountains do incredible, upper 50s. Far northern Maine stays in the 40s. A little cooler mid and down east coast just due to a light onshore breeze. And it may hit 70 over near the New Hampshire border. That's pretty warm. All right, tomorrow morning we get up at 7 a.m. and some scattered showers are falling. Some wet flakes in the foothills and mountains. Midday, the showers get steadier out there. This Saturday afternoon, it's heavier rainfall for a while. And then all that heavy rain begins to translate east and north. And overnight, it tapers off. There'll probably be one or two lingering showers on Sunday morning. But by the afternoon, we're actually going to see some sunshine develop with a westerly breeze. And temperatures will shoot up. And we'll hit 50 degrees again on Sunday before it really cools off early next week. The only snow we see are going to be in the higher elevations. There'll be a few wet inches of snow for the western Maine mountains on up through the Allagash too. There could be as much as 6 inches, but many spots won't get that at all. Sunday, again, improvements with the sun coming out and mild temperatures, and then blustery and colder early next week, although we'll be storm-free for a few days. Our next storm chance not until, it looks like, next Thursday. And that probably is more rain than any snow, too. Marine forecast sees 2 to 3 feet. Light winds out of the northwest, becoming southwesterly. Increasing sun today, great spring-like afternoon, highs around 60. Tomorrow, chilly raindrops most of the day near 40. And then the first day of spring in the afternoon, not too bad with some sun and warmer temps in the 50s. Cooler next week. We'll be in the 40s. That breeze will be kicking up too on Monday and Tuesday. But we do get a lot of sunshine early next week, which is always a nice to offset the chill, helps out quite a bit, especially this time of the year.
Third week of March. I mean, it's, it's time for a little bit of that. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.